Benefits of Metta meditation and how to do it. Metta meditation is a type of Buddhist meditation. In Pali, a language that's closely related to Sanskrit, Metta means positive energy and kindness toward others. The practice is also known as loving-kindness meditation. The goal of Metta meditation is to cultivate kindness for all beings, including yourself and family, friends, neighbors, acquaintances, difficult people in your life, animal. Like other types of meditation, the practice is beneficial for mental, emotional, and physical health. It's especially useful for reducing negative emotions toward yourself and other people. This includes feelings of joy, trust, love, gratitude, happiness, appreciation, compassion. To cultivate these emotions, you silently recite phrases toward yourself and others. Some examples of Metta meditation phrases include: May I be safe, peaceful, and free of suffering. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May you be strong and confident. What are the benefits? A regular Metta meditation practice can be beneficial for both your mind and body. Let's look at some of these benefits more closely. 1. Promote self-compassion. Since it involves reciting kind phrases toward yourself, it can foster a sense of self-compassion. The idea is that you must love yourself before you can love other people. Self-compassion can also reduce negative emotions toward yourself, including anger, unworthiness, self-doubt, self-criticism, judgment, etc. 2. Decreases stress and anxiety. As you develop self-compassion, you perceive yourself in a more positive light. This promotes emotions like love and gratitude, thus reducing stress and anxiety. 3. Reduces physical pain. Metta meditation can decrease some types of physical pain. The practice decreased persistent lower back pain, frequent migraine attacks, and some other pain. 4. Improves longevity. Telomeres are DNA structures at the ends of each chromosome. They work to protect genetic information. As we get older, our telomeres naturally shorten. Chronic stress can speed up this process, causing faster biological aging. Stress-relieving activities, like Metta meditation, can ease this effect. 5. Enhances social connections. Metta meditation can also nurture stronger social relationships. After you recite kind phrases toward yourself, you extend that kindness to other people. This allows you to display compassion and empathy toward them. It also encourages you to think about others and to recognize how they make you feel. Plus, as you develop self-love, you may be less likely to view yourself negatively. This makes it easier to hold space for others, which can cultivate more positive connections. Tips for beginners. If you're new to meditation, it may seem intimidating. Your first few sessions might also feel unproductive. Keep in mind, however, that it takes time to achieve the intended effects. Consider these beginner tips. Be patient. Don't expect instant results. Let go of perfection. Avoid judging yourself. Experiment. The bottom line. During Metta meditation, you recite positive phrases toward yourself and other people. The practice aims to foster a mental state of kindness, love, and compassion. When done regularly, Metta meditation can help minimize negative emotions toward yourself and others. Like other forms of mindfulness meditation, it can also reduce stress and physical pain. If you'd like to try Metta meditation, be patient and open to the experience. Practicing a few minutes each day may help make a difference over time.